Hello everybody and welcome to a Joyful Clay Tutor. In today's video I'm going to answer the question, can air dry clay or cold porcelain clay grow mold? Generally, when you make air dry clay out of glue and cornstarch, one of the main ingredients is lemon juice. When you add lemon juice, it will prevent your clay from molding and it allows you to store your clay for a long time. However, there are always exceptions to the rule. If you store your clay under moist conditions, it can mold. For example, I made a bunch of little cow heads and bodies, and I thought, well, I'm going to come back and I'll add the arms and legs a little later. And so I put them under a piece of plastic. And I came back 4 days later, and my little cows turned furry. The moist conditions prevented air dry clay, from drying out, but it allowed the mold to grow. But not to fear, I was able to clean it up with lemon juice, a spray bottle of lemon juice, and a paper towel. And I just wiped them up and they came clean. So to prevent your clay from molding, keep it from being too moist. And if it does mold, clean it up with vinegar or lemon juice spray and a paper towel. I hope that helps. Like and subscribe. Thank you.